In the previous video, we showed you how to liquid stake your AVAX using the Benqi protocol and receive sAVAX in return. And we'll leave a link to that video if you haven't seen it. We are Atlas Staking. We are an Avalanche validator, and what you're looking at right now is our validator page on Avascan, and you can learn more about us at atlas-staking.com. Many people ask, okay, well, I've got my liquid staked tokens, so now what? Well, you can earn additional yield by lending the sAVAX back to the Benqi platform, and then they will pay you Chi tokens. If you're lending out your tokens, it's a good idea to know who you're lending them to. And so we'll leave a link down below to the risk monitoring profile for Benqi, which is done by Chaos Labs. We will also link to their DeFi risk page and also to DeFi Llama so you can learn more. So if you're not already on the Benqi website, go to staking.benqi.fi and then tap the stake button there in the middle of the page. And then over on the left-hand panel on the menu, click the button that says Lend and Borrow. A window pops up asking you to select which wallet you would like to connect to the platform. And for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use the core wallet. A window then pops up from the core wallet asking us to approve the connection. So go ahead and click Approve. You then land on the Markets page, and you'll see the Markets button over there on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click the drop-down box in the supply window, and you'll have a choice of tokens. And you're going to click sAVAX because you're going to supply sAVAX to the Benqi protocol. The next window displays your available number of sAVAX tokens, and you can move that slider to deposit 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. So do what works well for you, and then tap the button that says Approve and Supply. A wallet window pops up asking for your permission to send those tokens over to the platform. So go ahead and click Approve. Verify the details on the transaction approval window. And then once again, click the button that says Approve. A few seconds later, a confirmation pops up and you did it. Your sAVAX is now supplied to the Benqi protocol. Now from this window, you have two options. You can view your transaction on Snowtrace, the block explorer, or you can click the X in the top right-hand corner of the box. You will then land on the rewards page and you'll see that you are earning Chi tokens. Remember that liquid staking derivatives like sAVAX earn staking rewards. And so if you live in a jurisdiction like the United States, you'll owe income tax on those rewards. So it's a good time to take a break, and we'll tell you a little bit about Coinly. We went ahead and explored several different crypto tax applications, and Coinly was by far our favorite. They're integrating blockchains that automatically sync in all the time, and they already have support for Avalanche. So you can pop your address into a box, click import, and then it pulls everything in from the blockchain. And then after a while, when you've had some transactions, all you have to do is click a button that says sync, and it goes out to the blockchain and pulls in all of the new transactions. And we have a discount link that we will leave down below. But what's really cool about Coinly is that it's free to use until you generate a report for taxes. So you can always play with it, mess with it, use it for a while, and then decide down the road whether or not it's for you. So you're earning AVAX rewards with your liquid staked sAVAX tokens. You have lent those tokens back to the Benqi protocol to earn some additional yield in the form of Chi tokens. Well, now, is there anything that you can do with those Chi tokens? Well, you bet. You can stake them on the Benqi protocol, and then you get to vote for your favorite validators to boost the staking yield on those nodes. And then you earn more Chi tokens in return. And so we're going to show you how to earn even more yield in the next video. But before you click over to that video, if you're watching this on social media and you got something out of it, please click that like or thumbs up button, which will cue the algorithm to show it to more people. Certainly subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.